You ever wondered what the future of cancer treatment looks like? What if we could detect cancer years earlier, design drugs specifically for an individual's tumor, and predict exactly how a patient will respond to treatment? It sounds like science fiction, but this future is unfolding right now, thanks to the incredible partnership between artificial intelligence and precision medicine. Today, we're diving deep into the year 2025 to explore how AI is completely revolutionizing the fight against cancer. Let's start at the very beginning: detection. For decades, doctors have relied on their trained eyes to spot abnormalities in CT scans, MRIs, and pathology slides. It's a skill that takes years to perfect, but even the best experts are human. AI, however, is changing the game. Imagine a deep learning algorithm that has analyzed millions of medical images. It can spot patterns and subtle signs of early-stage cancer that are often invisible to the human eye. In 2025, these AI tools are becoming a standard second pair of eyes in radiology and pathology labs. They're not replacing doctors, but empowering them. By flagging suspicious areas with incredible accuracy, AI is dramatically reducing false positives and diagnostic errors, meaning fewer unnecessary biopsies and less anxiety for patients. Most importantly, it's allowing us to find cancer at its most treatable stage, stage 0 or stage 1. Fundamentally shifting the odds in the patient's favor. But finding cancer is only the first step. The real power of precision medicine is in understanding that every cancer is unique. Your lung cancer is not the same as your neighbor's lung cancer. This is where AI's analytical power truly shines. Each tumor has a unique genetic fingerprint, a complex set of mutations driving its growth. Manually analyzing this massive amount of genomic data is like trying to find a single typo in a library of 1 million books. It's nearly impossible, but machine learning models can sift through this data in minutes. They can identify specific genetic mutations and biomarkers that act like on-switches for cancer growth. By identifying these actionable biomarkers, doctors can select targeted therapies, drugs designed to flip that specific switch off without harming healthy cells. It's like having a custom-made key for a very specific lock. Furthermore, AI can predict how a patient's unique molecular signature will respond to different treatments, including chemotherapy and immunotherapy, allowing for truly personalized treatment plans from day one. This level of precision extends to creating new medicines. Traditionally, discovering and developing a new drug can take over a decade and cost billions of dollars. The failure rate is staggering. AI is turning this process on its head. AI algorithms can screen billions of virtual chemical compounds in a matter of days to identify promising drug candidates that might be effective against a specific cancer target. Think of it as a super-fast, super-smart virtual chemist. AI is also helping us rediscover old drugs, finding new uses for them in oncology by analyzing how they interact with different cancer pathways. This drug repurposing is a fast track to new treatments. Beyond discovery, AI is optimizing clinical trials. It can help design more efficient trials and identify the perfect patient candidates from vast electronic health records, ensuring that new, life-saving drugs get to the people who need them faster than ever before. Once a treatment path is chosen, how do we ensure it remains the best one? Cancer can evolve and develop resistance to therapy. This is where AI acts as a co-pilot for oncologists. AI-powered decision support systems are now integrated into clinical workflows. These systems analyze a patient's complete data profile, genomics, imaging, lab results, and even data from wearable devices to recommend optimal treatment protocols. They can run thousands of simulations to predict potential outcomes and side effects for different treatment combinations. Imagine a system that alerts a doctor. Based on the patient's latest blood work and tumor markers, there's a 70% chance of developing resistance to the current drug within 3 months. Consider switching to option B. This allows for real-time monitoring and proactive adjustments to a patient's treatment plan, keeping them one step ahead of the disease. This isn't about replacing the doctor's judgment. It's about augmenting it with data-driven insights to make the best possible decision at every turn. Of course, this technological leap doesn't come without its challenges. How do we protect the privacy of incredibly sensitive patient genomic data? Who is liable when an AI model makes a recommendation that leads to a poor outcome? we need robust ethical guidelines and secure data infrastructure. Integrating these sophisticated tools into existing hospital systems is a huge technical and logistical hurdle. Doctors and nurses need training to trust and effectively use these new systems. Then there's the issue of regulation. How do bodies like the FDA validate and approve an AI algorithm that is constantly learning and evolving? We're already seeing the first wave of FDA-approved AI tools in oncology, but the regulatory frameworks are still catching up. Perhaps the most significant challenge is ensuring equitable access. We must prevent a future where this cutting-edge, life-saving technology is only available to the wealthy or those at major academic centers. We have a moral obligation to make sure these advancements benefit everyone, regardless of their background or where they live. The journey ahead is complex, but the destination is one of incredible hope. By 2025, the integration of AI and precision medicine is no longer a futuristic concept. It is a clinical reality that is tangibly improving patient survival rates and quality of life. We are moving from a one-size-fits-all approach to a world of N-of-1 treatments, where every patient receives care that is as unique as they are. The convergence of data, biology, and intelligent algorithms is creating a paradigm shift in our battle against cancer, offering more hope to more people than ever before. This is the new frontier of medicine, and we are just beginning to witness its power. Thank you so much for joining me on this exploration into the future of cancer care. If you found this video insightful and want to learn more about how technology is shaping the future of health, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next video. We'll see you in the next one.